This Seasons Realty LLC property video is presented by Frontsick. Beautiful Gulf access pool home on a canal located in the desirable southeast area on First Place. Being sold furnished. It features high ceilings, great open floor plan that maximizes water view. Enjoy the sunsets from your lanai. Live in an upscale neighborhood with beautiful homes. And bring your boat? Enjoy Cape Coral waterfront paradise for a reasonable price. Some of the many features that this gorgeous Gulf access 3-bedroom, 2-bath pool home offers is a great floor plan with a large pantry, a laundry room, a formal dining area, as well as an eat-in kitchen. Enjoy the relaxed lifestyle offered by this bright and gorgeous home. Being sold turnkey, this home has been meticulously maintained. This home is ready to move in. The location is as good as it gets with access in minutes to the Cape Coral.